Hi, Jack. I'm just doing a video. Say hi. What's Sissy doing? What's Sissy doing? Don't poke yourself in the eye. What's Sissy doing? Huh? What's Sissy doing? She sleeping?
It's there.
Yeah, I know. That's the fan. See? Sissy's sleeping. She does that every day. We pick up Daddy. Hey. What are we doing? We waiting for Daddy to be done work? Right? Yeah. Guess what that is? Guess what that is? What was that?
That.
A truck.
That.
Get your finger out of your mouth. Say it right. It was a truck?
It.
A truck? Yeah, there's one behind us too. Neat, dear. Do you like Mommy driving? Do you like Mommy driving?
It's.
Yeah, in the car.
Oh no.
What's oh no?
Poop.
Boo? No, it's a sprinkle.
It's.
It's a sprinkle. It's from a donut. Yeah. Are you eating bits?
None.
No?
None.
Timbits?
None.
Yeah. What? Yeah, that is coming soon. Helmet?
Is that?
What? A car seat. What's the top of your car seat?
What's that?
Yeah, the truck?
It's here.
It's loud, eh? No, that's the fan. The fans are loud. What?
What's that? What's that?
Yeah, that's the fan. There's a fan right in front of us. Sissy's still sleeping, hey? Sissy's sleeping. Is Sissy snoring? Sissy's snoring. Sissy's snoring. Yeah, Sissy's snoring. Hey? Do you like this car seat? You like the car seat?
No, touch.
Oh, stinky toes. Stinky toes. Stinky toes. Smell them. Are they stinky?
It's this.
Oh, your socks are stinky? Or your toes stinky?
What's this?
The fan turned off. It's okay. We're done. Now you're trying to put your sock back on.
What's that?
Yeah, your other sock? Who's on that sock?
That.
Chuck? That's Mater.
Yeah.
Mater. From Cars.
That.
Yeah, from Cars. The movie Cars. That's Mater. That's a tow truck.
It's us.
Your toes? They stinky too? They stinky?
Just us.
Just your toes. Are they stinky? Are they stinky?
Yeah.
Yeah. You need to have a shower tonight?
Yeah.
Wash your hair?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wash your stinky toes? Okay.
Dirty.
Stinky. Okay, Mommy's gonna turn off the video. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Do a kiss?
Oh, Daddy.